Everyone, I am Vaishnavi and this is the demo hack for Pangea Securathon. So we have created an application using React.js and Pangea API. So this is the application and I have already run the npm start command. So my app is running on the localhost 3000. Also we have deployed our application on using Vercel and hosted using GitHub. So even this works. So I've already put that in the redirect URL and it will redirect me to the login. So let's go back to the localhost one. So first I'll here log out. So I'll log in again. So after logging, it would redirect me to the landing to the home page. This is the home page, and I can switch to doctor and patient module here. So it also fetches my email and shows here. So I can click on it, and it shows my profile, first name, last name, email, and I can also select my user type and save the changes. So first is the doctor's module. So this is the notification that the doctor will get. This is the notification. So as a doctor, I would put my availability over here, and my availability would get added here. So it would get appended here. Next is the patients module. So here it would basically initially ask me, so first we'll reset the permissions and reload the website. So initially it would ask me for my location. When I press on allow, it basically shows a map of my location. Then I'll press on the meeting option virtual. It would basically fetch. So here I have used the Google API to fetch all the hospitals nearby and show in this. Then I can click on the hospital I want to choose the doctor from. So here I have used the random user API. So basically I can choose the type of doctor I want to meet. Then it enlarges that picture for me. So this is the slots the doctor would be available. So I can choose on one and click on confirm booking, and it will redirect me to the confirmation page. So here I can also download the confirmation, and also there is a so here basically in the final confirmation part I have used the security audit of Pangea API and initially auth n of the Pangea API. Next here I have used the scan file and URL option. So here basically I can store all my medical related data, and it would show if the data is safe, it would upload to the database. Otherwise it would show that it is the malicious one. So that's all about my application, and this is the dashboard. So this is the console of the application. So that's all about my application. Thank you.